Hi, it's me. Hey guys, today we're gonna pot some plants I got from Linny and Hans. So we're gonna pot this beautiful aloe Elgensia, which I got from Linny Desert Plants of Avalon. And don't know her channel, but I think you do because she's very famous. She's a queen of plants on YouTube. So I will of course put all the links in the description box, so just check it out. And I will, oh no, pot some aloe. I think I need bigger plant and bigger pots. Yeah, that's much better. So let me, this is my own mix. I mixed the very good quality soil with loads of perlite and pumice, mineral pumice, and this is my ground mixture. And then I add more soil or more pumice or perlite, depends on what kind of plant I'm potting. So this is gonna do well for my aloe, and if I'm happy with this one, it's so beautiful. Okay. And this one is my Linny and Hansi grow this from seeds. And this is the name. So let me put this beauty, and I'm not adding more pumice because these pots are so tiny. This will dry out in no time anyway, so this is why. But so amazing, they are grown from seeds. Oh, I'm so excited for this Euphorbia Medusa. It's so amazing. Soil, actually like this, and more pumice because it's a cutting, and I don't want it to be in a too much moist. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, this is my fuzzy friend, Kalanchoe tomentosa. It's, you know, just wanna squeeze this. So, just poking a hole inside, and I will just put it like this, and next year I will maybe make a cutting, but for now it will be like this. Oh, this one is coming back to Sweden. Oh, that's so funny. Welcome back home. So this year I think I will keep them inside. So welcome back home. Oh god, the spines of these are really, oh, they hurt. They really hurt. So just put it in. Try not to be stuck. Oh, girl, please. So, and let's take the next one. Oh, I'm so excited about. I was looking for it and looking for it and looking for it, and I actually did not find anywhere. And I saw this beauties, and I saw this beauties at Linny's. Wow, and she remembered that I loved it so much. But because this plant is so kind of, I mean, it's so different. We'll just stick it in and press it gently so it will stay. Stick on fire. It's called stick on fire because it will be reddish on tops when the sun hits it. Wow, I am so grateful. Thank you. Look at this beautiful dragon fruit. Now the question is, okay, this is the beginning and this is the end. Yes, good. So I not make any mistakes. Put a hole inside. Gently tap it in. And this, okay, this is the, I can put it side by side. It has roots. So it will adapt beautifully. So beautiful. I don't know if I want to put them together, or maybe I can put them together for now, and then I can separate it next year. Maybe. Really beautiful. I think they look together much better, you know, like a group. But these I will put maybe also together. They look so pretty. There's lots of babies from this one. Yeah, together I think they will look very beautiful. Much better, yeah, in a composition like that. This is so special when we actually exchange plants. You have something someone else was taking care of and kept alive. It's really beautiful, and now you can share it with somebody. I'm loving it. Sick. Very special. It's beautiful. I know that I will actually put it in a smaller pot for now, because I know now they will not grow so much, and I'm moving, but this will grow pretty. I will have to water this one. I will have to water this one because this one is now dried out, but doesn't matter, it will pick up again. And this kind of hot because these have kind of roots all over, so I'm guessing this will get plants all over also. all these jelly beans, I will just cut them around, because I know from some of these will probably be a plant, I'm sure. So these are put here. I'm sure it's something else. Just give her a good, nice pot. It's very beautiful pattern underneath. So now I will, as always, I will spray my plants, because all newcomers are sprayed and going to the incubator. No, but they will be on the side for checkup, because they were in the posted. So well, and I will have to just recap kind of. So guys, this is the plant station with my plants and grow lights. So these plants will be living here this year, and yes, thank you so much once again. Lots of plant power and lots of kisses and hugs to Linny and Hansi. Cut! You remember when I just cut it? Look, cinnamon and beautiful roots. So that was very simple. Just thank you so much for watching. That was it from me and Linny and Hansi. Thank you so much once again, and all the links are down below. Hansi makes beautiful music, so if you need music for your videos, talk to him. He probably could fix something for you. Of course, always ask first. I'm really grateful that I could use it in my videos, and it was beautiful. The music is very good. Beautiful plants, and check out Linny. Linny has, oh come on, Linny is a queen of plants on YouTube, and she has pretty collection, to be honest. So thank you so much for watching, and hope it wasn't too long. So kisses, bye.